Hundreds of students belonging to SFI, the Students' Federation of India, have gathered in front of Raj Bhavan in Chennai protesting against the governor. They claim that the governor is stalling the bill that has been passed in Tamil Nadu Assembly called as the Tamil Nadu Undergraduate Medical Admission Bill, which actually bypasses NEET. Now, the students here claim that NEET is against the federal system and it is grabbing away the actual dreams of students who want to become doctors, and that's the reason they are protesting over here.
It is completely destroying the future of the students through this commercialization policy of the central government. And as you see, this governor here, we are protesting. This governor actually he is following the direction of the BJP RSS government, and through this NEET and NEP actually they are trying to implement their corporate agendas also, and that is why we are protesting. Actually, we have already observed through this pressure, tremendous economic pressure, and this whole complexity of this education policy, the question patterns of this policy, which is completely different from the state board and the central board, and that is why the students, 21 students compelled to suicide in Tamil Nadu only. We can't wait for another suicide, and that is why we are here. We are protesting. We can't wait for governor anymore. We will just want to send a message: enough is enough.
Several students belonging to SFI have come here together and they are protesting outside the Raj Bhavan. Just a couple of 100 meters outside, they are protesting, demanding that the Tamil Nadu governor should send the bill that was passed in the Tamil Nadu Assembly called as Tamil Nadu Undergraduate Medical Admission Bill, claiming that this bill has to be sent immediately. Now, the DMK government on 13th of September passed this bill, which actually bypasses NEET after AK Rajan report was submitted and it was taken under consideration. SFI students over here claim that more than 21 students have committed suicide allegedly connected to NEET, and that's the reason NEET should be banned. And here in Tamil Nadu, even though this particular Tamil Nadu Undergraduate Medical Admission Bill has been passed, it has not yet become a law because they claim that it has been not sent by the governor to the president to get the assent, and that's the reason they are holding a massive protest in Tamil Nadu. As you could see, this arterial road is completely blocked. Police are trying to stop them and try to detain them as well. And here, the students are claiming that this bill that has been passed by the Tamil Nadu government should be sent to the president as soon as possible. Here, SFI leaders are also saying that NEET should be banned as it is a form of corporatizing education, and they claim that it is against the federal policy, the language policy of India, and that's the reason they claim that they are holding this protest at this point here. With videos, Divyan from Madhav for India Today.